beautiful day in Lake Ontario. Who's got the king, huh?
Got the king.
The king. It's a biggin, right?
Oh yeah.
Go get it.
You gotta get that net.
I'm going to get the net. Look at that smile. Get ready, get ready. It's just like. Just. Woo! Massive. Booba.
Arm.
Jesus, look at this. Oh! Woo! Woo! Come on, baby, give me a hand. Whoa, easy. He's strong. This is just like. Okay. Are you pulling something? What do you got?
Yeah, I think there's a fish.
You got the fish?
I think so. It's a net.
Oh, I gotta go get the net. All right. We got some fish. Oh,
Where do we go?
oh, we got the little dinghy. Oh, what is that? Oh, it's amazing. It's amazing. Catch and release. Yeah. That was a very little one. Oh, we got another one. We got the shaker. Oh, it's a shaker, baby. Woo! It's a shaker. We're gonna let him go. Sorry. It's a big one or what? Oh yeah. She's got him. She's gonna get him. And this is the baby, the little baby. That's really baby. We can use this one as a bait. We're gonna put him back. Next one's gonna be a big one, right? Got a fish. Who's got the fish? It's falling. It's falling. Far away. Yeah. Very nice. Looks like a baby tuna, right? We're gonna get him?
Yeah.
We're gonna put him back. All right, we're gonna put him back.